Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit Word documents in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to click the plus Create button located in the top left sidebar of your Canva dashboard. This opens up your creation options and allows you to start bringing in your files. Once that menu appears, look for and click the Upload option at the bottom. This section is specifically designed for bringing external files into Canva, whether they're images, PDFs, or in this case, Word documents. Next, click Upload Files to access your computer's file browser. This will open a window where you can navigate through your folders and locate the specific Word document you want to edit in Canva. Take a moment to find the file you need, then select it and click Open. This initiates the upload process and tells Canva which document to import. Now you'll need to wait for Canva to finish uploading and converting the file. Depending on the size of your document and your internet connection, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute or two. Canva is automatically converting your Word document into an editable format that works within its design platform, so give it time to complete this process without interruption. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see your uploaded Word document appear as a thumbnail in your Uploads section. Go ahead and click this thumbnail to open it. After clicking, wait for the Canva editor to fully load. The interface will transition to the main editing workspace where your document is now ready to be modified with all of Canva's tools at your disposal. Now let's get into actually editing your document. Click on the text you want to change. This selects the text box and highlights it so you can work with it. Next, double-click the text box to activate the editing mode. This allows you to make changes to the actual content inside rather than just moving the box around. From here, select the existing text that you want to replace. You can click and drag to highlight specific portions or use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+A to select everything in that text box. Once you've highlighted the text, simply type your replacement text. Whatever you type will automatically replace what you had selected, making it quick and seamless to update your content. After you've entered your new text, click the text box once to deselect the individual words. This shifts your focus to formatting the entire text block. Now you can use the top toolbar to customize how your text appears. Here you'll find options to change the font style, adjust text size, modify alignment, control spacing between lines or letters, and alter text color. These tools give you complete control over the visual presentation of your content, allowing you to match your branding or simply improve readability. And that's it. You've successfully imported and edited your Word document directly in Canva, giving you access to powerful design features you wouldn't have in traditional word processors. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.